reform policies and all that. Where even senators were shouting that it is not what we deliberated on that is being passed. It is not, the same thing is happening. What kind of criminality is this? It's high time we flush all of them out.
Drain the swamp.
Drain the swamp. Yes. And that's why we are here today to say now, our votes must count. And in Peter Obi's words, he said, let there be no illusion. The criminalities witnessed in 2023 will not be tolerated 2027. Yes. Nigerians must begin to rise, and that is why we are rising.
Yes. Okay, Mama P, I would like you to talk.
Please talk to us. What do you want me to say?
Talk about why, if you think this protest is actually making progress, the fact that they gave a verdict and then they want to meet again to probably revisit.
How did they vote? No. I'm letting Akpabio know.
We are sleeping here tomorrow.
I'm letting Akpabio know that from tomorrow we are sleeping here.
Next day.
We are from today. Not quick talk. Thank God, say my clothes they inside complete.
So I'm saying that you think this protest is making progress? The fact that
of course, more persons are coming. Have you checked the flights from Benin to Lagos, Abuja? Fully booked. Some persons are entering road. Some persons are everywhere fully booked. Everybody is coming to Abuja. This is the one testing the mic. If Akpabio say we don't see sleep for us, Akpabio don't see sleep for office. We will come relocate, meet her for office here. Now be waiting go happen. More than not say they use pidgin because we are talking for both the literates and the illiterates, those that are educated and non-educated. Do you understand? We have one thing binding us all, and it's for our votes to count. We just want our votes to count. We are just saying enough is enough. They've done enough. We are tired, we are exhausted, we are sick, we are hungry, we are insecure, we are overwhelmed. We want our votes to count. Is it too much to ask? Who is scared of a free and fair election? Which sane person is scared of a free and fair election? You appointed the INEC chairman. You appointed the army heads, the police heads. You have appointed everybody, yet you don't want the citizens to appoint the only position they can appoint. You don't want the citizens to appoint the only one they can appoint. They are all. Our votes will count 2027. Yes, that is what we are standing on. According to Peter Obi, because that statement is my new motivation. Let there be no illusion that the criminality witnessed in 2023 will be tolerated in 2027. Nigerians must begin to arise and defend, resist their irregularities. You saw the tweets now. Yes, that is why we are rising now.
so this protest will go on until the mandate.
Yes. That's what's going to happen. It's going to keep going. It's going to keep burning until it escalates into end bad governance. Now we are saying that we just want our votes to count. Again, they go delay us reach. We will now start naming all their flaws for them. Yes. We will start naming everything. And very soon, even the police and the army, because I see the way they are nodding their heads, they will join us. Nigerians are tired. It's like they don't know. Nigerians are tired.
So you're saying they are gradually pushing us,
they've pushed Nigerians to the wall. You're not getting it. Are you not suffering? Nigerians are tired. We are exhausted. You don't go fit go house. May you know they fear say they'll kidnap you. You cannot eat this square meal anymore. You can't go to the hospital and see good somebody snake. In UK, I don't think snake bite has killed anybody in the last 30 years.
75 years.
In the last 75 years, snake venom has not killed anybody in the UK. But a singer, a rising star died. You go to the hospital, they will tell you they don't have hand glove. Okay, it's fine. 4 years later, let's correct it by voting good leaders who can provide these basic amenities. You say you want to rig. Operation rig. That's what will happen 2027. I don't fear them. I beg.
So what's about the protest ongoing?
Yes, we are here because these guys in power has no future for us. They don't mean well for Nigerians, and they don't mean well for anybody, not even a futuristic country. Imagine at this 21st century or in 2026, somebody in the National Assembly or some senators in the National Assembly complaining of network. They do not complain of network. Even the bandits in the bush, the kidnappers, the Boko Haram in the bush are not complaining of network. It is the National Assembly of a country as huge as Nigeria that is complaining of networks. All Nigerians are asking, transmit results from the polling units. It's now a thing of them using network as a yardstick. So if they are complaining of network at this time, what should be Boko Haram that are in the forest, deep forests, be complaining of? You understand? So these guys do not mean well for us.
So are you saying that intentionally removing the mandatory for rigging of elections?
Yes, exactly. They want to rig the coming elections. That is basically why they will come under the guise of network that everybody knows is not an excuse. We should be talking advancement in this country. Why we bringing network in this 21st century, in this 2026? You are bringing network as an excuse, and you want even a young boy of 2 years will tell you that's a flat lie.
Okay, sir. So seeing that this protest happened last week, and then the Senate decided to hold another plenary in regards to this, even though they initially get their final verdict, do you think this protest is actually making progress?
See, it makes. See, look. Let me just be straightforward to you. The Senate going for any plenary or not has nothing to do with what the people are demanding. These guys can do this overnight in just seconds. It takes nothing. It's not rocket science to be there. You understand? And I want to call on them. Look, if you said you are there representing Nigerians, you are there representing a constituency, and every other person that is here is a constituent. Is part of your constituency, and you fail to represent the voices of people coming to stand here, it means you are not supposed to be there in the first place. If you say you are there representing a constituency, and the people you are representing are here saying this is what they want, you are saying on the contrary, then are you supposed to be there? Shame on you. Shame on you. You understand? So all these guys are just bunch of that wants to destroy this country for their selfish reasons. That's what's all. Nothing more.